Hello and welcome. This is day 2 of Daily 10 English Words. Today we'll learn 10 more useful English words with simple meanings and real-life examples. Listen carefully, speak along with me and enjoy the lesson. Let's begin. Word 1, hot, meaning having a high temperature, the opposite of cold. Be careful, the coffee is hot. I love eating hot soup on a rainy day. The weather is really hot today, so wear light clothes. Word 2, chair, meaning a seat for one person. I sit on a chair when I eat dinner. She bought a new chair for her desk. Please take a chair and join us. Word 3, dog, meaning a common animal kept as a pet. My dog is friendly and loves to play. We take our dog for a walk every morning. That small dog is barking at the cat. Word 4, school, meaning a place where people go to learn. My brother goes to school 5 days a week. School starts at 8 o'clock in the morning. She enjoys learning English at school. Word 5, smile, meaning a happy expression on your face. He has a big smile when he sees his friends. Her smile makes people feel comfortable. The baby gave a cute smile. Word 6, phone, meaning a device used to call or send messages. I use my phone to talk to my family. She checked her phone for new messages. Please turn off your phone in class. Word 7, food, meaning something you eat. My favourite food is noodles with chicken. They ordered a lot of food for the party. Food gives us energy to stay active. Word 8, blue, meaning a colour like the sky or the ocean. She wore a beautiful blue dress. The sky looks so blue today. My favourite colour is blue. Word 9, car, meaning a vehicle that moves on roads. He drives a red car to work. There is a car parked in front of our house. We travelled to the beach by car. Word 10, baby, meaning a very young child. The baby is sleeping now, so don't make noise. She smiled when she saw the baby. Babies need a lot of care and love. Great work today. Let's review the words we learned. Hot, having a high temperature. Chair, a seat with a back for one person. Dog, a furry animal often kept as a pet. School, a place where people go to study. Smile, a happy expression made by the mouth. Phone, a device used for talking to people. Food, things we eat to stay alive. Blue, a colour like the sky or ocean. Car, a vehicle used for travel on roads. Baby, a very young child, usually under 2 years old. Practice saying each word out loud. Use them in your own sentences today and review them again tomorrow to remember them better. Thanks for learning with me. See you in day 3.